not my star. If I'm good enough to take, then I'm good enough to stay. Not here to be your face and fire.